Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I'm your host, Evan, and today we are breaking down the pre-market movers and the biggest stories hitting the wires. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let us dive in. Rigetti Computing is leading the charge, up over 3% in the pre-market. The catalyst here is a major boost from the government, with the company signing a letter of intent for up to $100 million in CHIPS Act funding to accelerate its quantum research. This is part of a broader $2 billion federal push into the sector, which is lifting other quantum names as well. Meanwhile, Workday is surging over 6%. The enterprise software giant crushed its latest quarterly expectations and raised its full-year margin guidance, with management highlighting that demand for its agentic artificial intelligence solutions is accelerating. It is a big win that is easing some of those lingering investor concerns about competition. On the other hand, FCEL Energy is seeing some selling pressure, down about 2%, while NVDA Energy is also slightly lower in the pre-market, down over 1%, as traders take a breather after a massive run-up earlier this week, driven by that new data center transformer opportunity. Turning to the broader market, futures are pointing to a positive open today. The primary driver is continued optimism surrounding geopolitical developments, specifically hopes for a potential easing of tensions between the United States and Iran. This has helped oil prices retreat from their recent highs, which is a massive relief for inflation-sensitive investors. We are also seeing a rotation into risk-on assets as traders look ahead to the swearing-in of the new Federal Reserve Chair later today. Keep an eye on Treasury yields, as any further easing could provide additional tailwinds for the tech sector. In the AI economy, the landscape is shifting fast. The big story hitting the wires is that OpenAI is preparing to file a confidential S-1 for its long-awaited IPO, with a potential listing targeted for later this year. Meanwhile, leaked documents from the SpaceX IPO filing revealed that Anthropic is paying a staggering $1.25 billion per month for compute capacity through 2029, underscoring just how valuable and scarce high-end GPU infrastructure has become. This continues to be the primary narrative for chip giants like NVDA and their infrastructure partners. Looking at other stocks in focus, Estée Lauder is seeing a significant pre-market jump of nearly 10%, largely riding that wave of optimism regarding the potential for de-escalating Middle East tensions. Finally, a quick look at today's earnings calendar. We have BJ's Wholesale Club, Booz Allen Hamilton, Frontline, and MNSO Group all reporting before the opening bell. Investors will be closely watching the guidance from Booz Allen Hamilton and BJ's Wholesale Club for any signs of consumer resilience or shifts in government spending. That is it for today's episode. We covered the quantum surge, the AI infrastructure gold rush, and the geopolitical tailwinds driving the market. If you enjoyed this update, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if there is a specific stock or sector you want me to cover next time. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening, and I will see you back here tomorrow.